folks, Rick Berube here, and I'm sitting here with Natalia DeFratus
Yes.
from our office in
Rancho Cucamonga.
That's right. And we were just doing a class on your DRC, Daily Revenue Commitment, and who we have to talk to in order to achieve our goal. So tell me a little about what you decided you're going to do from here forward.
From here now, I signed up for RedX, and I'm calling in the morning people whom I was able to hold of. I mark on the system who I didn't hold of. I prepare some mailers to go door knocking after that. So
old expireds, new and old.
New and old expireds.
Right.
New and old expireds.
Some you're going to call.
Yes.
And some you're going to go visit.
Yes, some I'm gonna go visit.
Okay, so what's your daily commitment, and how many are you going to contact per day?
Last week I've been contacting like 10-15 people a day, at least door knock 10-15 expireds a day, and I feel like it's not enough because I get like maybe 3 people answering the door.
Right.
So I think I need to amp my numbers.
So you need to go from 3 a day contacts to how many would be good for you?
Ideally it would be probably 15 people.
15 people a day?
Yeah.
So to go from where you are transactionally to where you want to go in the next 12 months, we'll say for your next year goal, your main commitment is to talk to 15 people a day.
Yes.
Mostly old expireds, and some of your sphere too, right?
Sphere, expireds, some contacts sitting on the fence waiting for the new year to come. So yeah.
And how much money are you gonna make next year?
200,000.
Woo! 200,000. All right, thank you.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.